y'all, Elsa here with Just a Few Designs, and today we're going to make this cute little card. This is a video just for inspiration because I need to make 3 of these and I thought that I would show you how I go about it. It's nothing new. You've seen this before. These are the little stand cards. Look like that. This is where you will write your little message. The only flip on my card is that for Valentines, just like any other holiday, I like to give my girls a gift card. So this is a gift card holder without screaming gift card holder. So like this, and this is where your little gift card would go. Right there. And I always like to let the gift card show so that they don't miss it and, you know, say, oh, it's just a card, toss it and toss the gift card along with it. So here you go. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you which die cuts I use. Now you can always just cut a heart, you know, just draw it out and cut it and do all this. But since I had them, I decided to use them. So this is an old set that I've had for years now, and if you've followed me, you've seen me use it before many times. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. It is by, who makes the, from Sherry Lynn Designs. So I used the big heart, and you will get this out of that one. You'll need one of those. Then to make the bow, I use this little thing right here, one of those. This will make the bow in the front. Use that. And then these are just simple metal hearts, and I cut 2 of those, double-sided paper. Then with the little one, this one I cut 2. Then this is what makes our base. So when you go to cut this, you know, you'll run it through, but you make sure that you miss the top. That way your card will be a little card like this. So if you want to see how I made this, stick around. Okay, so to make the envelope, if you have a mat that has lines on it like this, measuring lines, that would be fabulous. So you're gonna turn your paper like this, you know, on the diagonal, all right? And I try to fix it to, that's a 6, that's a 6, just so that I know my paper is on the same line right here. Let's see if I can back up a little bit more. Okay, so here is your card, right? And you want it to fit in your envelope. So you're gonna put it right here. You're just gonna lay it in the center of the paper, and you're gonna fold this one up to where it covers your card comfortably. It's about right there. And you see your lines right here? That's gonna keep you folding this. See that line right there? That's where I'm folding this paper. Okay, so there we go. Right there. Now, my card ends right here, and that's about this line right here. You can see the line on the mat. Here is your little measuring line right there. So now I'm just going to fold this to measure to that line, and I'm going to fold all the way up following that line on my mat. Making sure I'm not bending the card, and there's a little space right there. Right. Now on the other side, my card ends about right here, so I'm going to fold to this line over here. See this line right here? So I'm going to fold to that line, and I'm just going to carry it up so that I know it's straight. See that line? So right up that line is where I'm folding it. And that's it. That is the envelope that will accommodate your card. So now take your card out, fold everything down really well. I can never find my bum folder. So just like that. Okay, so now when you unfold it, you have all these score marks right there. You're going to cut those right on the mark right there. So okay, so let's cut those off. So now you have this, right? Fold these in, fold that down, and just glue it in place. Okay, so we're gonna put a little glue on here. I'm gonna glue this flap down. There. You're gonna bring this up. Don't put glue up way like I did. Okay. Alright, now put your card in there and fold it down to where you're going to want your envelope to fold. So there's the tip of my card. So I'm going to fold this down. And I made this card in yellow for Valentine's because my youngest loves yellow. So okay, so now cut this part off your envelope right here. Now this little point right here, you can leave it or you can cut it. I usually cut it out straight across. And there is your envelope. Your card will fit in there nice and comfortable. This was what was left over of the sheet that I made the card with. I'm going to cut some hearts. That one's too fat. So there you have it. That is the envelope. And this is where your gift card will go. Right there. Okay, well there you have it. Really fast. Once you have everything die cut and everything ready to go, you can make this just by cutting the big hearts. You don't have to have this part over here, which, you know what, you could put lace up here. That would look really pretty, like one of those little heart doilies that Walmart sells. That would look really cute right there too, just in case you don't have that same die that I have. But I think they turned out so pretty, and that is what that one looks like on black. And then this is the pink one. So yeah, great gift card holders. Okay, all right, so thank you so much for stopping by, for watching, for your support, and for your continued comments. I appreciate it. Talk to you all later. Good night.